I hate being a girl. This is very hard to explain, but honestly, I don't feel like a girl, and I don't feel like a boy either. I'm okay with being a girl, but overall, I just can't decide. It really stresses me out a lot, and how to tell my friends, or how to express my feelings for them to understand. And there is a 30% chance one of my friends will see this video. And it will be very hard and confusing to explain to them. And know before anyone says anything in not trans. I feel non-binary, but I still don't know. Here is the definition of non-binary if you need it. So yeah, that's my slime rant for today. Bye beautiful, sage out.